Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to split your web browser in two small screen. Okay, let's say you got only one screen and then you want to watch this video this side and then you want to watch the news the other side. Okay, or you want to do other stuff. Okay, and you got only one screen, only one laptop. Okay, so I'm going to show you if you got a Chrome browser. Okay, if you got a Chrome browser, how to do it. You right click. Let's say you got three windows that are open. As you can see in my case, I got so many windows that are open. Okay, you come on top here, right click, and then you come to add tab to new split. Split. Okay, as you can see here right now, I do have two windows. Okay, I can close this one. I'm gonna click on this one here. That's Google. I'm gonna click. Let's say you got Google, Netflix open. Okay, you open the tab. You open the tab. You click, right click on the mouse, and then you click add new splits. Okay, as you can see here, let's say from here you need to choose a tab to add to the split view. I can say either I'm going for my Netflix or I'm going to my Google search or I'm going to Facebook, whatever I want. Okay, let's say I'm gonna go to Netflix. As you can see, I got Netflix here, and then I got, sorry for that. So I got Google here, and then I got Netflix this side. Okay, this feature is already available on Microsoft Edge. So on Microsoft Edge, you just come where is those three dot are, you click, and then you come to split screen. So now let's come back to our Google Chrome. If you come back to your Google Chrome, if you check here, you can see it's showing to arrange it. Okay, so you can separate the view. Okay, you can cancel it. Okay, you can also close the left side. Let's say you want to close the Google, or you close the right side, meaning you want to close the Netflix. Okay, you can reverse view and click like this. When you click reverse view, Google will go on the right side and then Netflix will come on the left side. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.